Guys, quality. This is the best that I can do right now. Because wow, if I don't shoot this diary session, I still need for my video. Wait, I'm shooting up 18 no. So it's better this side. Okay. So Molen up, Liam, Kelo, Utetai, Embuini. So into mendala ke enguliam egodukile. Manjong up. Into mendala egodukile ne yobona abazali and obviously kukho umsebenzi ekhaya ne. The video speaks for itself. Anyway, guys, what in the Mobi cell is this? Guys, it's a shame. When I look at red for subscribe. Subscribe, my guys. No, okay. Anyway, welcome back to my channel. It's good to be back. I'm quite consistent. This is the second video, twice in a row. So in this video, I'm going back home, going to visit home. Hi guys, hello, welcome to my channel. I'm going back home. You guys, I'll show you my airport fit. My friend is gonna take a picture. I'm so cute. Wait, my hairstyle 8. My hairstylist 8. Okay, I'll write the link down below. Your hairstylist Sana. Oh, it's so nice to have friends, isn't it? I hope I'm as good of a friend to you like you are to me.
Yeah.
Because show me, you're a good friend. You and Quinn, your family, you're the family I have here. I'm so sad that she's not here. It would have been a mess.
No, it was gonna be nice.
Would have been lovely. I hope to see her soon. I wonder which vlog is gonna come out first, this one or the other one. And then, even though I'm in your bed. It smells so good.
Look at that. Why is that? The avocado is fresh. My favorite sauce. Thank you so much. I'm just eating everything.
The other guy behind me, uyangena ufake lakhe liyangivulela easily. So this friend of mine used to.
What about you?
Yeah? I'm only dropping a few. Are you in the way?
Inside. Charming.
Thank you for your attention during the preparation for our takeoff. Now that we are safely on our way, we invite you to sit back, relax, and enjoy this flight with us.
sana the moment ndifika ekhaya ayavuya ifamily yam undibona like yho sana lwamo. Okay, andifake neflash ingathi iflash zayenza begcina. Okay ke guys, ndifike ke ekhaya yethu. The first thing I do xa ndifika phayana kuyasetyenza funeka icala uba umafungasho ufikile makugujulule ku-spring clean wena noba ngujuni. Hayi sana siya-spring cleaner siyapeyinta and I have a mini-me next to me. I enjoy ke uncediswa ngonontombi girl senze into zethu siyapeyinta siyacula kumnandi siyahleka ndala ndibakhumbula vile noba ndifike safe ndababona and sana there were so many things that were not making sense in Johannesburg. I was like, oh okay, intombi mayigoduke sana ayigxothwanga kowayo mayikuyobethwa ngumoya izawuphinda ibuyele eJohannesburg apha inyama ingapheli yophela izinyo lendoda khona.
Remember, I always love you.
Benzi ixesha uba mandihambele ke ngolibe ndizele yoba kukho umsebenzi ezilalini. Ayi qamba andinayo ne-outfit ndizonxiba ntoni nkosi yam hange ndibe prepared for i-outfit hange ndithunge nto hange ndithini athi utatam namntanam mali masambe utatam ke undibiza mali mhlawumbi yiyo le nto ndiyithanda kangemali naye ndithanda kangaka kuba ndibizwa mali phandle nani. So hayi ke ngabe namsebenzi sihambe sokhangela yho wathi utata nansi ibomvu ufanele wena intombi ebomvu. Ndathi hayi utsho kum ndingumabisa sabele ndathi ewe bawo ewe tata ndayitshata ndayibhenxeba nizayibona hlobo endiphanelela ngalo yho.
I'm chatting Nasa. This is so cute.
Ke kumnandi kunjalo siyindlela nathi yho safikisana kamnandi safikisana nosingaye kwamnandi kumnandi kuyiloo nto akho mpintizelo endiyithanda engathi le yenzeka yabona le impintizelo yoba around my family. Afika usingaye and then we went to go sleep. Then in the morning ngentseni savuka ngenje xokuxa senyuka unonjolo siyapha emsebenzini. It's the first day of umsebenzi, so I think on that day, I believe on that day sashwama on that day. Kwamnandi kwayiloo nto I was so proud of my uncle, especially now angithi nguye omncinci olo mdala oseshonini. So ngoku nguye izinto zishiyeke kuye and he had to pull up his socks. Wenza izinto zenzeka umalume yam. wazama bethu nani. I was so proud of him. I was so proud of him. I don't want to lie. Senyuka ngunonjolo yayiloo nto ke kwayangweleni. Day 2 of the vlog. We're walking up in the boonies. We're going to the second house.
Hello, Harry Potter.
Welcome to my YouTube channel. Welcome to my sister's YouTube channel. Day 2 of being Unolalik is done.
Hello vlog.
Hello, vlog.
Hi vlog. Hello. Thuthayo embongweni. Utheni ngathi uthemba kwamnje. Okay, wena Luni. It's a crucial bill. Hayi ke. Yafika imini ibixelwa. Saqhavuqhavu, sabomvu, sayellow, sacheli, sahlaza, salaita. Everyone was so beautiful. The umsebenzi was so successful. I was so happy to see my friend there. She came to support me. My sister's friends were there. Umsebenzi kaBhozo wamhle kwaXhosa kwabahele, like kwavuleka neminyango ebikade ivaliwe. Okay guys, siyavala zwi siqatula qashu. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you're subscribed. I enjoyed editing this video. Ndiyazibuza benhle ixesha elide ngathi ngade ndiedit indoni. Nale diary session. Nale diary session way to ndayithanda. It's so authentic. It's me right now. And the aim is not to be perfect but to be authentic. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Ndiyandithanda kakhulu bantu bam, ndiyandithanda ngenhliziyo yami yonke, ndiyandithanda nanto niya-engage and niyakhula niyi-221 ngoku phambili.